In data validation, would consider a few things. Data validation, age, zip code. Zip code is normally 5 digits. So you want to allow the users, as of now, you can allow the users to press any number, but we want to allow the users to press only 5 digits. We want this to accept only 5 digits. You want age to be below 18 or something. You want our date to be between um first of first of January 2025 to this time, something like that. These are things you can do with data validation. Data validation has different aspects. We can do different things with data validation. But let's start from the date. So you start from date. Yeah, let's start from date. We want, maybe let's say you are creating a sales report or something, and maybe you are an organization of a company or something, or and you want your student or your cost or your sales rep to fill in a report, and you want to make sure the report is within a month or something. So you can just come to your data tab, then you come to data validation. You know, my cell is already my cell is already, yeah, my cell. I mean, my cursor is already on the cell I want this thing to be, this cell. So data validation. You can pick any value, but we are dealing with dates. So you can come to dates, come to between, because you want between this and this. Then you can start with what is, okay, let's say this month you want to record the sales of this month. So you can start with let's, what is today's date? Let's just say first 01 2025, and we are in the 10th month. Yes, we are in the 10th month. So 31, let me use 31st. Last month was 31st. No, 30th. 30th 09 2025. So you're in the last quarter of the month of the year. So you don't want to include last quarter of the year. So you can press OK. So now, remember the data validation we did was this: between the beginning of the year till the last day in last month, which is 30th of September 2025. Now, imagine I put in 01 02 1st of February 2024 to tell me error, and I should retry. It won't save it. You see, I have to delete it. Why is it not going? Cancel. To cancel the data. That means it won't accept the data, except I try something like this 2025, then it will go. So are you with me? So you are inserting date between those 2 digits, between January to September. Now let's leave this once we don't have anything to do with first name. You can't put restrictions on first names of people. So let's say zip code. Zip code has only five, is zip code 5 digits or 6 digits, 5 or 6. But let's validate this data and say any value. Let's say row number that is equal to 5. Row number that is equal to 5. That is this zip code cannot accept it cannot accept any number that is greater than, no, I mean text length. I'm sorry, text length that is more than 5 digits. That's more than 5 digits. Yes, it's text length, please. Text length, that is the length of the distance, is more than 5 digits. The text is more than 5. So it won't accept any distance that is more than 5. So you can click OK. So if we add 100203, to tell me to retry because it is more than 5, then I have to, if it is 4, to tell me to retry because 4 is not a complete zip code. It must be 5. 10203. Then there you go. And the date, let's say you want it to be between you want it to be a whole number, not less than. Is it less than now? Okay, let's say minimum of 18. You are doing a minimum of 18 data, and the minimum person that you want to accept is the data. So now you want to allow a whole number that is greater than 18. So the minimum should be 18, or say 17, or let's say 16. The minimum should be 16. Are you with me? The minimum should be 16. You can just press OK. And then when someone puts 12, you get an error. When someone puts 20, you get a successful message. So are you with me? So that's just it. And you can just drag this down so that it affects that. You can edit all this data. If you want to do data validation, actually, you have to select your whole cells. Then you do the validation of the data.